Hi, today we're here to learn how to create a graph um, by inputting certain information that you want into the graph. So first thing you need to do is find the information that you need and collect all the data from the table that you want. And next you go to create a graph. And first we'll create a pie chart of the selected data that we used right here. So first thing you do is pick the design, which we want to go ahead and be solid. Background color, we'll go ahead and have it be white. Oh, it's a pie chart, I'm sorry, not a bar graph. Okay, then next we'll go to data, and we'll go ahead and put in a graph title, which will be percent distribution of the black population by region, GION, in the year 2000. And the source, you're going to want to go ahead and open up the web page where you got the information, copy the link, and then go back to the source and paste the link. And next we're going to go ahead and change the pie slices to 4, since we have 4 sets of information. And then item label, you're going to go ahead and enter in the region where they're from. What's this? Northeast. Midwest, we got South, and then West. And then go ahead and enter in your values in percentages for the information. And then all this information should be gathered from the website with all the data right here. And then you go ahead and finish it off. Oops. 8%. And then 8.9%. Okay. And you go ahead and go to labels. And then we're going to go ahead and select, instead of value, do percentage of total. And then right here you can mess with the fonts however you want, but for now we'll just keep it normal. And go ahead and preview it to see if you think it looks good. And let's see, from there we've you can go ahead and print and save, and then you could save it to your computer, or you can print it off right here, or if you want you can start a new graph. So now, since we've created a pie chart, we'll go ahead and create a bar graph of the information. So you go ahead, you selected bar, you're going to want to do vertical, and then shape, it doesn't really matter, we selected rectangle. You know, grid lines, we have 6. Appearance, you can make it 3D or 2D. I prefer 2D myself. And then you're going to go ahead and select data. You're going to pretty much enter in the same information that you did for the last chart that we made. Percent distribution of the black population by region in the year 2000. And the x-axis, we'll go ahead and label that location of residency. The y-axis, we'll go ahead and name it percentage of black population. And the source, you're just going to want to go ahead and copy the same source or same link you did last time and then paste it into here. And then data sets, we're going to go ahead and change items to 1, and then group number to 4, since there's 4 different regions to label. And then go ahead and label those regions. Midwest, South, group 4 is the West. And then item, and then you're going to want to go ahead and put in the values you want, like you did before. 54.8, and then 8.9. You can change the colors here if you want, but we're going to go ahead and keep them the way they are. And then from there, you go to labels, and like you did before, you select percentage of total. And then we're going to go ahead and keep the font the same, and then you preview it to make sure it looks good. And everything's looking good right now. And so then after that, you want to go ahead and print it and save it. So you can print it, or you can save it to your computer, and then after that, we are pretty much done. So thank you, and I hope you learned everything you need to know about creating graphs.